Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is boy Jay, and we're back again with another video. Yeah, for progress, you guys don't know about the plate I made. Struggle with the tin snips. This is what the plate looks like now. As you can see, let me get close in here. This is where we. Don't know if you guys can see that. No, see. We folded it over to get the bend, and we're going to be marking up now to put it in, and we're going to take the measurements and mark down where we're going to come on. So as you guys can see, we made the plate that's going to go here. There's a gap here that I missed, and I can also see from here, don't know if I can get you guys in here, let's have a look, that I may have not made it a bit straight here. So we're going to be marking up and putting where we need to put, and we'll take it from there. Let's have a look-see. So we're going to be putting plate in, double side, put it there. Don't want to go too much here because we're going to be cutting unnecessary out. So round about there. So there's still meat on each side. I'm just going to mark it over here, because we're gonna be cutting here and here and taking this part out, hence why, and this will fit in there, and shape it and weld it underneath, then wham bam. Thank you, man. Yes guys, so unfortunately I can't do much today. It is a Sunday. I don't really work on Sundays, so I'd just like to take you guys through where the car's standing at the moment, by my parents' house, and what's the plans and what we're gonna be doing. So let's have a look. So as you guys can see, that's where the Golf is at the moment, in my parents' garage. So looks actually quite cool like that without the fenders. Oh, the sun. That's dance life. No, I'm joking. There's the Mark III. That was also gonna be soon on the channel. Don't you guys stress. But yes, Golfy at the moment. Yeah, no. So it's a bit in the darker, full of stuff still. Dusty. Still busy with the bodywork, but the shaping's done more or less. Busy taking the clear coat off. So yeah, no, getting in there. It's a sad state in my life because I'm really getting wanted done, but yeah, I don't know, it's getting there. Yeah, still full of packing stuff. Did ski the bump already. Doing quite a bit. Packing all the stuff in here. As I said, it is my dad's garage, so stuff for the car has to stay in the car. So I just want to get the light on. Sweet. Yeah, no. So the light on here, the inside of the car. You change a bit of stuff. It's been a long time. So basically, stripped everything so long. Clusters out. I'm gonna be changing the gear lever. A few odds and ends. Steering wheel. Need to get the new vents. New other vents for the car. Plastic surround broke. But yeah, about these cars are, what I like about them is the Golfs are very, as I said, down to earth. The Golfs are basically like the Minis are. So basic, no power steering, no aircon. It's just you, engine, car, road. That's what's nice. I must say I miss the car. I wish I could start it for you guys. I need to get a battery for it. Engine stock, 1600 stock, 8 valve. So it's, get out here. But, as we getting there, closer to the stage, I don't know about you guys, The mirrors, do you think I should keep them black or do two-tone? Let me know in the comments. So basically with the Golf, main issue is I could have done something crazy with it, do what the others are doing, dropping a VR6 motor in it or 1.8 turbos. That's not my plan. As I said, I am very old school. I like my old school style. Hence Dad's Mini over there and the Mark III. I'm very old school, so what I would like to do is not engine swapping, guys, and that's not the question. As the part is, I might not be keeping the car long, unfortunately, as I would like to. Once the car's done, I might get rid of it due to space issues and for me to keep the channel growing. So stick around, please subscribe. We're gonna keep recording every bit of piece, so stay tuned, subscribe, click on the notifications, guys, so you stay tuned to what we're going to do with the car, because you don't want to miss it. The exciting part is still to come. We're going to spray the car soon. It's right there, we're just waiting for better weather. You have to clean the garage out and all that so we can do the prep work and all that and spray. We're going to prime the car outside, so I'll show you step by step what we're going to do. My dad's going to spray the car and I'm going to show you everything so you guys won't miss a beat. And so just like to show you now how the car is, where the car's standing and what's it looking like at the moment. There is bits and stuff that I need to get, and unfortunately some scrapyards don't have. But let me guys know in the comment section. I can get the OEM gear lever. I was going to put the Jetta Mark II's one on, but I would like to get the OEM one. It came with the OEM one, the Golfs came with that little pattern where it looked like a golf ball. I would love to get one like that. But yeah, the steering wheels are scarce. I got the cover for it and everything. It's just that I had to loosen it to take the cluster out. I know, going through everything with this car. Gonna put a drop kit on it, not too low. Gonna go factory drop with the springs, and gonna redo the brakes. Gonna need to do the bushes, CB joints and all that beforehand. So I will record all of that for you guys, so you guys can see. A little Golfy over there, 1.6. You know, as I said, not gonna engine swap. Don't need to, don't want to. Gonna bring the full potential out of that 1600 motor. A little old school tuning, but you guys are gonna see. No fuel injection. You're gonna see what we're gonna do. But I will already keep you guys up to date. Don't you guys panic. So as from that, for the Golfy, sun in my face, I'm just gonna quickly show you something awesome. Yeah. Have a look at this. My dad's little 1275. I love this little Mini. Love these cars. They are very nice. But yeah, no, but so guys, that is it for this video. Nothing exciting yet. As I said, it is a Sunday. I'm not working on a Sunday. I won't do that. But episode 2 of Golfy coming soon. I'll see you guys. Subscribe, like, so you can stay tuned into the action. I need some action with Golfy. Take care, guys. Jay, out.